everyone, this is Leena Moon. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will be talking about English vocabulary which is used in our daily conversation. That is why I want you to aware of the meaning of frequently used vocabulary. Having an extensive vocabulary will help you express yourself clearly. Trust me, the vocabulary that I am going to share with you, people use it very often. First word is instinct and innate. Natural tendency to behave in particular way. Let me explain you in another way. An instinct is something you don't need to learn. It happens naturally. For example, babies cry by instinct. Eve teasing. The making of unwanted sexual remarks. Eve teasing is used for public sexual harassment or sexual assault of women by men. Hamper. Hinder, obstruct, impede. For example, their work is hampered by lack of funds. Window shopping. To go shopping only to look but not to buy. It is always fun to go window shopping. My friend and I are going window shopping in Big Bazaar. Paranoia. Unjustified suspicion and mistrust of other people. Invariably. Always. Every time, in every case, or on every occasion. Cordial, friendly. Aloof, not friendly. Detached, distant. Retaliate, to hurt or do something harmful to someone because they have done or said something harmful to you. For example, he retaliated because you had insulted him before. Inhibition, shyness, hindrance, hampering. A feeling that makes oneself conscious and unable to act in a relaxed and natural way. Exotic. Something that is exotic is unusual and interesting. Pee. Urinate. The puppy was peeing on the carpet. Apparently. Evidently. Seemingly. As far as one knows or can see. Struck. Struck is a person or thing that has been hit or attracted or affected. Undeniably. Undeniably used to emphasize that something cannot be denied. Intimidate. To make timid or fearful. Scrutiny. Inspection, study, investigation, critical observation or examination. If a person or thing is under scrutiny, they are being studied or observed very carefully. Rely. Depend on with full trust or confidence. Replete. Full, filled or well stocked. Peer. Look with difficulty or concentration at someone or something. Vulnerable. Exposed to the possibility of being attacked or harmed either physically or emotionally. Disparity. A great difference. Economic disparities between various regions of the country. Bash. Strike violently, a heavy blow. beat, hit. If you like this video, make sure subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. I will be back with another video. Till then, bye.